Right, this is the new part of Decker Homes. This is the last bit that was built, and as you can see, there's still a little bit of construction going on here, but it's very obvious all the houses are pretty new, with it being the second phase. You see, if I had one of these houses here, I'd be going out every day picking all this rubbish up and making an effort to make it look nice. But if I bought a house and I had the option, I'd obviously buy an end house, and then you can put like a car canopy on or something like that. I mean, a lot of them aren't supposed to because they've not bought the land adjacent to it, but they just take the land, so I don't know how they'd be on. You know, if the local authority descended and asked them, you know, is this your land? Just going to ask the guard. There's a lot of new empty houses, but normally when we've asked the guard before, he wouldn't commit to any prices or anything like that. It's a really nice estate, this, and when we show you outside, the main road, it's all fields. It's really nice. So let's show you outside now. I wasn't going to come on to the new phase, but I thought we might as well just show you around. Look at this house here, how they've got this. It's really nice. That's something I'd do. See, there's lots of houses still being built. Same there, look how they've enclosed the front off. You see, some of them, they just breeze block the front and then all of a sudden they just leave it, and it's like that for ages or indefinitely, whatever. Now, we just spoke to a guard and he was really helpful, and instead of asking us to leave, he's gone to get somebody that can give us a few prices of the new builds. But I'm reckoning one of these new builds is going to be, townhouses is going to be about, well, I'm guessing 1,300,000. Right, let's see what it is. So we'll see what happens when he comes back. Right. We've got a bit more information now. If you buy one of these townhouses, it's about 900,000. Now, if you buy a corner house, which I'm saying before that I thought they were taking the land, they're not. What it is like, Ate's just showed me this property here, but somebody's already been in it. Now, this property, because it has a corner lot, is 1,300,000. So that would be 960,000 if you bought a middle one, but because this has got a lot, it's 1,300,000, which is what I thought they would be because of where it is, but it's not. The payments, how much is the payments a month, Mel? Did you say 9,000 plus a month payments? You have to put 500,000 down, 500 plus down, and 900 plus 9,000 plus a month, which on an estate like this, assuming, but you see, this is the kind of situation you're going to have where you're going to have a car repair yard next to you as well. Yeah, this is what the neighbours done. They bought the house with the spare bit of ground here, and they've built this on the corner of the house. Look at it, it's beautiful. It's really nice. They've put a lot of effort into it. And this is the new phase, like I've said before. Look at what they've done. It's really nice. But again, I'd be around picking all the rubbish up. don't understand how you have a nice house and you just let the place go to this kind of state. Nobody wants to take responsibility. Why they don't have some kind of housing association here and pay somebody to go around and pick the rubbish up and, you know, maintain the place. It's beyond me, but hey ho, we're in the Philippines. Right, so this is the new phase of Decker Homes. It takes you into the new bit. So if you go that way, you're going into Naga, and it's literally perhaps 10 minutes on a motorbike or in a car. This takes you up to the hot springs. You're really near the hot springs being here. So you're not quite halfway, but it's 15 minutes to hot springs from here. And just a little way up there on the right hand side is the V2 bar, where all the expats hang out in Adrian's bar. So it's ideal if you're a foreigner. Now I've been told that on the old part there's at least 4 foreigners, is it Mel, that live on the old part. I'm not sure if any live on the new part, but on the old part there's 4 foreigners. Now we've spoke to Ate, and all these houses are being sold before they've even been built. Apparently if you buy the house before it's finished, you get quite a bit of a discount. So it's obviously worth the Filipinos buying the houses. But just like I pointed out, you've got to be careful. Well, somebody could move out and you could be next to somebody that's repairing motorbikes, cars on the front, and detracts from your property a bit. But of course we are in the Philippines, like I keep saying, so you've got to put up with this kind of thing. But if you're looking for an investment and then to rent out, you know, to foreigners, I mean, I don't think you could go wrong with this. If I could sell my house quickly, then I think that's what I'd do to gain some income, because I'm in a great position with the family I've chosen, and to me it wouldn't be such of a risk. You look really sexy, Mal, with that helmet. I just can't get away from it. So that's it, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't show you inside the house, but like I say, we were let down. That lady that we've just seen, I don't know who she was. I mean, obviously she's a saleswoman, but she was going to show us inside that house that I showed you last off. That was 1,300,000 with the lot at the side, but there's somebody living in there and they were obviously in the house, and I didn't want to intrude on them. I didn't think that would be right. So until the next video, it's down to you, Mel. Let's take it away.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe. Your turn. Your turn.
My turn.
Yeah.
And share our videos. And if you'd like to help us on Patreon, we would appreciate it. If not, carry on watching our videos, and we'll see you soon.
Honey, one more. Sally. One more on here.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping